Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this pretty card with the Classic Cloche Bundle. Here is the Classic Cloche Bundle. This super cute cloche can enclose this set of homes or these birds right here. And there are 3 layers for each that you can create, and then there's a die to cut out the houses and lots of tree dies and little slope dies to create a scene as well as trees. And then this can be used in conjunction with this die right here to create a base for the cloche. So really fun bundle. And I'm going to start off with the wintry embossing folder. This is a set of 2 embossing folders, and this one is pine tree branches, and it's really pretty and I love the texture. So I've already run this through the embossing machine, and look how pretty and deep that is. I just love it. This is a 3D embossing folder. So when you use it in your embossing machine, you're going to be using platforms 1 and 4. So you will put the paper inside the embossing folder, and then you will place the number 4 on top and then run it through your embossing machine, and then it will create this lovely pine texture on your cardstock. I also have a mint macaron base that is 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2 and folded in half. This piece is 4 by 5 1/4, and you notice that I didn't emboss this side over here because I'm going to use some of the Trimmings Designer Series paper. This is really pretty paper to embellish the side here. So I'm going to go ahead and place that on. Let's have the leaves going up. So I'm just gonna push this all the way to the side here and just line it up. And then if there's any excess anywhere, I will trim it off, but it looks like it's pretty good. Okay, and then this also is attached flat to the card base. All right, so that is our background and card base. Now I have already stamped and cut out a cloche, and I want to point out that there is even a fun little stamp in here right there where you can stamp the top of the cloche right there. But since I am putting a ribbon there and it's going to hide it, I'm not going to worry about stamping that. But I am going to stamp the birds. So the birds, I have used Smoky Slate and Mint Macaron. And then I have also stamped in Basic Gray, the outline. So let's do the outline in Basic Gray. And I love that this is photopolymer, so it's clear. So it'll be easier for me to place inside. So I'm just going to angle the other bird up a little bit, about right there. And then we've got these 2 other stamps that fill in the birds and the leaves. So I'm going to start with the gray. Got a tree on there. So I cut out all these little trees. Got a whole bunch of little trees over here. Look at that. Anyway, that's a little aside. I will be using the trees in one of my other Classic Cloche videos, so be sure to check that video out. All right, so for this, sorry, I'm gonna bring it down here, and sorry if my head's in the way, but I just want to make sure I line this up. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, that's pretty good. Not as good as the sample, but good enough. And if you wanted to, you could use a marker and like fill in some of the little white spots right there if you wanted to. I might do that. Might grab the marker real quick. But also gonna fill in the leaves in mint macaron. These are a little bit easier to line up. Yeah. So pretty. And then I've used this really fun velvet, very soft mint macaron ribbon. And since it's pretty wide and thick, I'm just going to tie a knot. So I'm just gonna flip this over, and then I want both velvet sides showing on one side. So I just twisted this so that when I have this, it'll be showing the velvet mostly. Just a little bit there that I'm gonna try and flip under. Okay, and then we'll just trim off a little bit right there. That's a fun little way to use some of this soft velvet ribbon. So soft. Okay, and then we'll be attaching that right there. And then I have also cut this little label out of the Stitch So Sweetly dies. And then here's my base right here with mint macaron and smoky slate. And I remembered, and I used the adhesive sheets to run this through. So super easy when you use the adhesive sheets with these more intricate dies, because you can just peel off the back and stick it right on. Yay, so easy. Love those adhesive sheets. Okay, let's put the rest of the card together. Oh, I need to stamp the Magic of Christmas. And I did that in basic gray. I love all the sentiments in this stamp set. They're really pretty sayings. And we talk about keeping the spirit of Christmas alive throughout the year. And I definitely think that we can do that by just being kind to everyone. That's one of my mantras. Just be kind to everyone. Okay, anyway, let's put some dimensionals on this. So maybe like 3. So funny where I find all these little backings. Find them everywhere. Find them on my, do you find them on your pets? I find them on my cat sometimes. Okay, so I'm gonna place this right about there, and then put some dimensionals on this one too. And before I place this down, I'm just going to put a little bit of glue, because this is pretty thin, on this piece right here. Ooh, sticky. Okay. Whoops, I missed. There we go. All right, so tweezers are nice to use for this kind of thing when they're so thin and intricate. So I'm just gonna place that down there, and it's like the base of the cloche. And then we can put the sentiment down here. And then we'll just use a couple of glue dots for the ribbon, since it's pretty wide. So I think we'll try 2 glue dots right there. And it just kind of finishes off the card. Isn't that lovely? So I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase the bundle or place a $40 order. And these are the other 2 cards that you'll be making in the kit. This one has a lot of fun layers, and this is a shaker card, super cute and fun. Just go to my website and use my current hostess code to place your order, and then email me and let me know that you would like this Classic Cloche Bundle card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching my video tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my other video tutorials with the Classic Cloche Bundle, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I post a new video. Thanks so much for your support. I'll see you next time. Bye.